Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add blog in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see add element. So click on it. So we are going to add blog. Now you see blog. Hover on it. And then you see start a blog. You see button add to site. Also you see find out more. So click on it. Now Wix app market open. Now you see Wix blog rating 4.1 and then you see button add to site. Now you see blog, so click on it. Now you see total 4 apps: Wix blog, easy blog, SEO friendly blog. You see total 4 apps. Also you see rating, so you can select according to your requirement. Now I select Wix blog, so click on it. And then you see add to site, so again click on it. Now you see adding Wix blog. Now optimizing your pages and finishing touches. Now you see this is our blog page. Looks like you don't have any post to show. Now you see blog page added on menu. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. And then you see blog pages. Also you see site menu, blog. Now you see action, so click on it. If you want you can rename blog page. Now click on page. Now you see settings, so click on it. Now blog pop-up open. And then you see main, so create a post or manage post. Also you see display, so click on it. And then you see what show on your feed, writer name, image, badge. You see multiple options, so you can select according to your requirement. Now you see blog menu, so click on it. Now you see show blog menu, enable category label, search box, login sign up button. So we are going to disable login sign up button. Now you see we enable search box and category label. So click on back again. Now scroll down. You see blog menu. Also you see layout. So click on it. Now you see all post feed. Choose a layout. Side by side. Editorial tile. One column. You see multiple layout. So you can select according to your requirement. Also you see image ratio. 4:3 1 by 1. So you can select according to your requirement. Now you see additional image settings. So click on it. Image proportion 50. And then you see design, so click on it. And then you see blog menu, post, category label, button and margin, rating, video setting. Now click on blog menu. Now you see font style and color, paragraph 2. So you can set color scheme according to your requirement. So click on back. You see post, adding to, paragraph 2, color scheme. Click on back. Also you see button and margin. You see area background color white, background color, text color. So you can set color scheme according to your requirement. Now we are going to create post. Now close. Now you see manage post, so click on it. Now dashboard open. Now you see blog overview, create category or create new post, so click on it. So you can add title, blog 1. Also if you want you can add text. You see multiple setting and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are going to add feature image. Now add image, and then if you want you can upload media or you can select file and then click on add to page. Now feature image add, so click on publish. Now you see create post publish. Now close this and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see blog, so click on it. Now you see this is our layout, so open it. Now you see blog post open. You see author name, read time. Also you see share button. Now back to Wix editor. Now close. Click on blog and then you see settings, so click on it. Now you see layout, so you can select layout according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.